Hi, in this video, I will be talking about 5 Linux commands for software testers. These 5 commands are very useful for filing a bug or to create your own small tools as we move forward in our tutorials. So let's get started.
So to find out the version of the current browser, all you need to do is type Firefox space double hyphen version and hit enter, and you get the browser name and its version. Another variant of this command, which would be used to view your web application without any distractions, is to launch your web app under test in a separate new window. This can be done as follows. For the current example, I will be using the website example.com. And as you will see, once we type the command and hit enter, it would launch the web app in a new window.
System information. This is something that we all need to provide in our bug reports or for our own awareness of the system. If you are testing on different environments, it is always good to know what exactly is the platform we are testing on. To find out some of this, all you do is enter uname space -r at the command prompt, and what you get is information on the kernel as highlighted in pink. Let us go one step further and type uname space -a. A is basically short for all, and what you get is a load of information such as the OS, the login name of the user, the kernel version, the flavor of the system, the timestamp, and the architecture.
Before you test an application, it could be important to know the amount of disk space on the system being utilized. An almost full disk space could throw interesting insights into an application's behavior. Linux has a command called df to look into the free and available space in the system. Let us see how. The df command returns an output which gives you a set of columns containing different disk drives and the amount of space available on them versus how many are being used currently and the place where they are mounted at. The display, the amount of disk space could be in terms of 1K blocks or however it was configured. Another variant of the df command is to use df space -h, and the resulting output will show you the free space and the utilized disk space in terms of gigabytes. which could be easier to read for some individuals and helps you to analyze the disk space faster.
If you want to have a dynamic view of several processes in the system, you need to use the top command. All you do is type the top command in the command prompt and hit enter, and you will see that the output of the top command gives you a lot of details, including the number of active tasks, the percentage of CPU utilization, and so many details that could actually tell you why your application under test is behaving in a certain way. This is very useful for a software tester or a developer as such to analyze what is going on.
One of the most important commands for a tester would be to record the screen. Recording the screen is very useful in reporting bugs as well as proof of test execution. Now, in this example, I will be using the Byzance recorder, which has to be installed before we use it. It has already been installed on my system, so all you do is execute the following command and set the duration for recording. You also need to specify the output file where the recording will be saved. Once the recording starts, the top right corner of the screen will have a red dot to indicate that the recording has started. The last 5 commands discussed in the video was very useful to file a bug report. However, you can create your own tools as shown in the link above in the open source world. And I strongly urge all of you to make open source contributions as we move forward. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will join us for more videos. Thanks. If you like this video, please click below to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Thank you.